On today's show, we're going to create a nice little fish dish, and we're going to serve it with a little bit of white rice. We've got dolphin, nice dolphin fillet right there. It's going to be dolphin, and we're going to serve that with a sesame, ginger, garlic, scallion butter. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Hey, welcome to Gourmet Fishing. I'm your host, David Murray. Hey, we've got everything we need right here, so let's go ahead and get started on our dolphin dish right now. Let's go ahead and get started on our dolphin that we're going to top with our sesame, garlic, scallion, ginger butter. Let's take a look at what we have here, right here, our ingredients. Well, we got a nice little piece of dolphin. I've kind of taken a little bit of that bloodline out. That's one of the things I like to do. I don't know, it just doesn't look good, and it doesn't taste worth a darn either. So anyway, we've prepped that up. I've kind of towel dried our fish fillet, and we'll get to him real quick in a second. But right here we got 4 tablespoons of butter. We got a full bunch of green onions that we've kind of cut on what they call the bias, which is an angle. Then right here we've got some benne seeds and some black sesame seeds. Right here we've got a teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. That's very strong, so don't use too much when you're cooking. And right here we've got let's see, we've got 2 cloves of garlic right there, grated, and that's a teaspoon and a half of grated ginger. And right here, these guys, a teaspoon each of the benne and the black sesame seeds. And right here, we've got some cornstarch. We've got some more little sesame seeds and benne seeds over there for a little garnish at the end. We got salt, pepper. We got some parsley also, which will kind of sort of help garnish our dish. So I tell you what, right now, I've got our heat on about a medium high, and now we're going to come in. Like I said, you want to kind of pat your fish dry. You don't want it too damp. And what we're going to do now is we're going to come in with a little bit of salt and pepper, just like so. 1 and 2. So we're going to put the salt up. We don't need a lot of seasoning, just salt and pepper, kind of like just a nice steak you're going to put on the grill. That's all you need. Maybe a little garlic on the steak, but anyway. So we're going to come in with some salt, just like so. Just like that, and let's see, a little bit more. Boom, that's it. That is our seasoning for our fish. I tell you what, we're gonna grab ourselves. Oh, I also forgot we need a little bit of olive oil for our fish. This is, you can just plain olive oil. This is our thyme and Meyer lemon infused olive oil. I'm gonna come in and add a couple of heavy tablespoons to our pan, and yeah, it's starting to shimmer a little bit. That's kind of what we're looking for. Hopefully we won't get too hot, smoking hot. So okay, we've seasoned our fish. Now I'm going to come in here with some cornstarch and just kind of sort of cover that up, just like so. Get a nice little coating on our fish. Flip it over here. Do the same thing on this side. Oh yeah, just like that. I think we got more than enough. Now we just come in here, we're going to shake the excess off, just like that. Now I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna put my skin side down in my oil. Oh yeah, just like that. Now we're gonna pan-sear this for about 2 minutes. And then guess what? We'll flip it and finish it off. Oh man, check that out. Oh yeah, wow. Oh man, I tell you what, that is looking good on that first side. I'm gonna come over here and just give that a nice little flip. And guess what, we got another couple of minutes to go. But I tell you what, man, check that. Listen, can you hear that? Oh, nice crispy skin. Man, that is gonna be delicious here in a minute. And I tell you that smell from that thyme and that Meyer's lemon, we infused a handful of shows back. Oh man, it just smells awesome. Oh yes, sirree. Check that out. Heck yeah. Oh man, I tell you what, I think, oh yes, sirree, I believe we're done, and we will soon be ready to plate. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come in with our our fish. I got a little paper towel right there just to kind of get a little bit of that excess oil off of it. Now I'm gonna move one pan, kind of had that thing heating up. Now we're gonna, get that set. I'm gonna put this right over here and let it do its thing. It's gonna sit there and rest. Kind of want to treat it like a nice little steak. Kind of let all those juices kind of stay right where they need to be. Now, we've got a medium heat. Now we're gonna start on our, what do we got? Our ginger, sesame, garlic, scallion butter. We can take our 4 tablespoons of our butter, just like that. Butter, that's awesome. Yes, it is. Now we're gonna add our, you know what do we need? We need a little spatula over here. And we're gonna add our ginger and our garlic, just like so. And we're gonna get that kind of sort of nice and heated up. Oh yeah, now we're gonna cook this down. That butter's foaming up good. I'm gonna come back in, I'm gonna add my toasted sesame oil, just like that. Now, you know, you heard me earlier talk about that. This stuff can be very, very potent. So just, you know, that's one of those little ingredients that you wanna use just a little bit at a time, because it can definitely overpower whatever you're cooking or trying to season. So we're just gonna come in here and cook this down just like so. Oh man, yes sirree. And what we're trying to do is just to begin to brown that garlic. So doing just like so. Wow, let's check that out. Oh man, it smells great. Now I'm gonna come in, here we are. Got a little heat-proof bowl. I'm gonna add my scallions to it just like that. Don't you run away. Come on now, don't need that. Now I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna add my, my sesame seeds just like so. And when we get ready, we're going to pour this right over the top of our scallions and benne and sesame seeds. Yes sirree, just like that. Oh man. Okay, I think, you know what, I tell you what, that's looking pretty good. I think we're there. We're gonna move you out the way. And here we go. Just like so. Oh man, check that out. Wow, voila. Just like so. Oh yeah. Oh man, tell you what, check that out. Yes sirree. Man, that's gonna be good. We're gonna let that sit for a couple of seconds. Oh wow, check that out. Oh, smells awesome. Oh wow, I tell you what, man, that is looking good. Smells delicious. Guess what? We got ourselves a nice little plate over here. Just showed up, all kind of sort of, just a little decorated. We got some rice. I got a little bit of a teriyaki sauce that or that General Tso sauce. You know, I don't know if I've made that yet. Maybe we need to take a look at that. But it's kind of a little bit of homemade teriyaki sauce right there. And now I'm going to come in with our, I don't even think I need that anymore, with our fish, just like so. Oh yes, falling off the skin. Oh man, check that out. That looks pretty daggone good. Yep, still got a little crunchiness to our skin, just like that. Now we're gonna come in, tell you what, grab ourselves a spoon, just like so. Add a little bit of our butter to this, just like so. Oh man, wow, a little bit of that. Drizzle it right on top. Oh man, you know what, probably drab a little bit, just not a lot right there, just enough to give a little bit of added flavor to it. Maybe we come in here and just add a little bit of that teriyaki sauce. What else can we do? Yep, come in here with a little bit of our sesame and benne seeds right there, boys, bouncing right off of that rice. Hit that with just a tad more. Voila. Let's see here. Oh man, heck yeah, put that right there. Let's grab ourselves some parsley, like so. What the heck, I don't know. What can we do here? Add a little bit of color to our plate, just like so. Heck yeah, what do you think? That looks pretty good, doesn't it? Heck yeah. Tell you what, we're gonna grab one of these little guys. These are almost overripe key limes. Came out of the backyard. I tell you what, we'll just come in here, do something like that. Oh yeah, check that out, a nice little green inside. Heck yeah. So just like that, come in here, voila, voila. I don't know. Put this little guy up here, and what do you think? Maybe right there, and then we'll finish it off with a little sprig of parsley, just like so. Man, how about that? Oh man, check it out, y'all. Wow. There it is, right there. There you go. There is our dolphin topped with our garlic, our sesame, our scallion ginger butter right there. And we get that served up with some nice little white rice, topped with just a tad of our butter and some of our black sesame seeds and benne seeds. I tell you what, man, I might have to give this a shot. Let's see here. What do we got? We're going to give this a little grab from the backside like so. Some of that butter. Okay, hopefully it's not hot. Let's see what we got. Wow, that's delicious. Y'all need to try that. You really do. That is delicious. Hey, right down here, guess what? We got another awesome fish recipe. And hey, right here. Hold on, back up this way. Right there. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hey, all the subscribes and all the likes do help us. And until next time, God bless, and we'll see you soon.